Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to use Google Sheets for the beginner on your iPhone. So first thing you have to do now is just go open the Google Sheet application. If you cannot find any Google Sheet application on your home screen, you just need to slide your home screen into the left side until you find an app library. You just need to type Sheets here. Wait a minute. Until you find it, you just need to click it, and here you already open the Google Sheets on your phone. And the next thing you have to do as a beginner is you have to know the way how to create a new documents. And how to create a new documents, you just need to go click this plus button. When you already do that, you just need to fill the name of the file that you want to use on your document. For example, a try on. And after you're done, just need to create. And now you already have documents and you are ready to work with documents that you have. So that's it. That's the first steps that you need to know about Google Sheets. So if you find that this tutorial today is useful for you guys, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.